Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's vlog, we're gonna be, or not vlog, but sneaker shopping video, I guess. We're gonna be hitting up a Nike outlet. I'm at a mall I've never been to actually, so I'm really hyped and I'm pretty excited. It's like a clearance store, so I guess there's a factory store and then there's a clearance store, and the clearance store is actually cheaper than the Nike factory store. And I believe there's only a few clearance stores in all of California, because I live in California. So I'm gonna hit it up. Let's see. I've never been to this clearance store before, so like I said, I'm pretty excited, and I'll show you guys footage as always. And yeah, just hope you guys enjoy the video. Yo, what's good, everybody? So as you can see, we're back home now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the haul, a little run of the haul. But before I get into it, I just want to do a little quick disclaimer that this is a really old video. I got this haul on December 26th, and as of today, it's February 19th. So just wanted to apologize for the late upload. I've just been extremely busy lately with a lot of different things, but I'm gonna be trying really hard to be uploading at least minimum once a week. I'm gonna try to do that. Let's see if I can do it. But yeah, it's gonna be my goal. So I'm gonna be running through the haul now, and let's start off with this LA Rams. It's like it was the Super Bowl edition. It was like a long sleeve shirt. It retails for $150, and this entire haul is from the Nike clearance store. So not the outlet, but the clearance store is like, it's supposed to have even cheaper stuff. So yeah, like I said, LA Rams shirt from the Super Bowl when they played in the Super Bowl recently, like a year or two ago, I think it was. And retails for $150. Got it for $17, so steal on that. Had to get that. Next up, I got these Nike Zoom Pegasus 35, the turbos, and a women's size 5, a little bit on the smaller side. Normally wouldn't pick it up for that small of a size, but it was only $22, I believe. Just let me double check. It was, yep, $22. So for those of you who know about this shoe, this is a really good shoe. Moves pretty well, so I had to pick that one up too. Next, actually no, I'm gonna save them for last. So then next up, we got these Air Max, what are they called? Air Max 270 React ENGs, also a women's size 5, a little bit on the smaller side too, but they're only $35, so I had to scoop them up as well. Any Air Max, honestly, any type of Air Max besides tailwinds or that type of stuff that you could get for like $35, or even anything less than 50 is always like a scoop for me. And then let's see what else I got. So I also got some women's Air Force One Shadows in a women's 7.5, and it was the all black colorway. So I'm gonna be showing you guys. I mean, I already explained it, but it's gonna be right here. And I got those for $45, and I already sold those for $80. So really good flip on that one. And then I also got some women's Air Max 98s. It's the premium version, and I got those for $35. I'll show it right here what they look like. And there were women's size 6.5. I sold them for like $75, so really good flip on those too. And then I got some Nike waffle racers, the Crater edition, and I got those for $36. I'm gonna show what it looks like right here. And there were women's size 11.5. I sold them as a men's size 10 because that's the equivalent, and I sold those for $80. So really good flip on that one too. And then last but not least, I got these women's Air Jordan 1 Retros Low NS. That's the full name of the shoe, as you can see on the tag. And what was crazy about these was that I got these the same haul, and they ended up being $13.48, which I don't even understand how, first of all, it sat for that long being that cheap, because originally it was $14.99, but I had additional 10% off coupon, so I just ended up using it. You can see, I'm not bluffing, I'm not capping. They're actually $13.48, and yeah, I just don't know how. But I know they don't have a swoosh or anything, but to get 5 pairs of those, I got 3 in the 5 and 2 in the 5.5, and they're actually selling for $169 to like $180 on GOAT last time I checked, which was like a few days ago. So this is gonna be a pretty good hold. I'm just gonna list them on GOAT most likely. If someone gives me a good offer, I'll just take it. I'm also listing them on OfferUp, so let's see what kind of offers I get on those. But other than that, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the haul. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought was the best, or what you liked the most. Let's go with that. What you liked the most from the haul. Definitely mine was this for sure. This is insane. Can't believe I found these still like, I don't know, still pretty crazy. And also, I just want to let you guys know, I literally just made a TikTok like 2 days ago actually, and my video kind of not went viral, but it got a good amount of views. It got like 30K views as of right now. So really excited on that. That was pretty crazy since it was my first video. So yeah, just go show my new TikTok some love. It's same thing as my YouTube channel, Henry Got Hustle. Also have an Instagram, Henry Got Hustle. Go follow that too. And yeah, any future videos you want to see, like any, maybe if there's like a tip type of videos, or there's specific video you want to see me make, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be picking some, and I'll definitely be making some of you guys' suggestions. And yeah, thank you so much for watching as always, guys. Appreciate you guys watching the videos, and yeah, later guys. Peace.